Hey pack leaders, I want to do this video to kind of talk about pain tolerance. Okay, so I mean, just like you and everyone else, the key to this is to stay low leverage. Don't worry about it. Market's generally going up, unless it's a year of crashing. Then I'd be worried. But I don't think we're crashing yet. Especially if it does break your 3x leverage, then that's the first sign that it's crashing. Okay, but until then, hold on, hold steady, and go from there. Now, I was bot programming, and you know, of course, if you can see a good day, take a day off. This is what you avoid. But if for some reason, you know, you're sleeping, it happened at night, you're out with your family, and it happens, and you're like, okay, you know, if you know it's gonna go down, and exit it. But most of the time, you don't know where it's going until it actually happens. Okay, so I will do 2 videos. I'll do this one, and then I'll do another one with afterwards to see the bounce. So right here, my licks at liquidations at 5:52, so it's getting pretty close. All right, I got caught up way at the high. You know, like whatever, right? So I had an issue with my thing, but you know, we just gotta sort it out now. So this is where it's gonna be. So do I think it's gonna go? I don't think so. And if it goes, I'll probably hold it till the end. Every last minute. There's 1, 2, 3, and is it possible 4th one? Yes. 4th one is a little lower, but not as low. Well, I mean, it is lower, but not as intense. To lower. So where are we here? We're at 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna work on one more. All right. And do I got the room? 550. Yeah, way down here. I think I got enough room here, like barely. So we're gonna go ahead and keep it. So what I want to do is talk about TradingView on making patterns and kind of just looking back at it. So I have some here that I want to show you. Let me see if I can pull some of that out. Where you get this thing called Snagit, okay, or TechSmith. Google it. And what you want to do is kind of oh, what's this? Okay. No, that's my here. It's basically kind of make a record of patterns that you see, and maybe like, well, I should have gone out here, or what did I learn today? And usually it's gonna like do this triangle deal. It's gonna dump quick, and then starts pumping up. Okay, so this is, so I kind of giving some names: triangle, flat bottoms, 3 hair pumps. And see if there's one that I've recognized on the dumps. I don't know if I have a dump. This might be a new one. This is from way back in the day. But we always know is that when it does dump, there's at least 3 dumps. Okay, 1, 2 here. Maybe there's 1, 2, 3 or something like that before something else happens. Okay, look at some more here. If you see a short triangle, expect that as the triangle tightens, it's going to dump fast and then rise up. So that's, I think that might be where we are right now. Okay, but I don't see that 3 dumps yet. There's another 1, 2, 3 somewhere. Here it is. Here, coming down. 1, 2, 3, and then maybe a 4th one wherever it goes, then takes off. Okay. What else? Anything repeating here, Wicks? What is this? Mistake. I didn't ladder the sales like originally planned. I haven't positioned. So yeah, make little notes. What I should have done, I need to start my desired trade amount to reach my goal. I started with 5,000 when I originally planned. 3,000 errors to make $300 per day. Ladder closeout orders. Okay. Missed hair and ended up taking a loss. Okay. So there's a hair there. I would have been profitable by staying in position. So here, as it came down, I got scared, right? And I actually took the loss manually when I would have been fine. So 1, 2, 3, the 4th one, the 4th big one. So you kind of notice these patterns, right? Look for 3 or 4. After the 4th big one, if you know you can handle it, just handle it, and then it'll come back. Alright, what are our patterns? Okay. Trumpeting pattern. What you notice is trumpeting patterns, that's the pumps. That's a cool one. Trumpets, pump. Okay. And we have one of these. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Now this is the one where I was at the all-time high. Alright, so this could kind of be what we have, because we did have all-time high and just kind of came outside. But this happened within, like, you know, in a few, like within a day, less than a day. Right? We've had several days already of sideways action. And let's see what else. Dump. But notice that it doesn't, you know, if you had low leverage at 8,000, you probably would have been around like maybe 5 or something like that before, or maybe 6 or 5, I don't remember, before you get liquidated. But all this stuff here is what messes you up. So you just wait until it's favorable to you. Of course, you can sit there and manage it. You can do TA. If you're good, then, you know, switch directions or whatever you gotta do. But I don't got the time for that. 1, 2, 3 dumps. Okay. Bearish divergence. So that's the market cipher. Let's see what else we got. Pump down, and all right, whatever. These are these humps. I don't know. It's just a weird hump whale flick kind of thing. It kind of matches up or something. Tron, 3 hairs. See 3 hairs, do a short. 1, 2, 3. So you have 3 hairs on the up, 3 or 4 hairs on the bottom. Let's see. Anything else? Sideways actions with doji, lots of them goes down. Oh, these are the dojis, like just really, you know, thin lines, wicks up, wicks down. So I mean, there's a whole field on this and expertise, but yes, you're gonna be spending time babysitting a lot and all this other stuff. 3 hairs before it goes down. Oh, 3 hairs ends the bull run. Yeah, so 3 hairs and it starts to go down. Alright, let's start to see, let's go back and see if we kind of see any of these 3 hairs or anything like that. 2, 3, major reversal, boom. 1, 2, 3, then it comes back. Alright, let's see if we have any hairs. Apply what we learned. Alright, did I see any of this stuff? I don't know. I don't see any. Barely any hairs. We have very thin hairs. No dojis, nothing big. Maybe a hair there, whatever, that's tiny. I see a lot more hairs down here though. 1, 2, 3. So maybe we need to find 3 hairs. 1, 2. So there might be a 3rd hair coming along. Maybe, hopefully, not as low. So I have until here. So we'll see where this unfolds. It could be one more, but I kind of feel this one, that could be the hair right there. Maybe it turned into a green hair or something. I don't know, but there. So I think it's pretty much done. Alright, I'll go ahead and create a second video just in case I'm wrong. And we'll see how we recover here. So I'm already like there, down that much, and we're just gonna wait. Okay. See other patterns that you might want to check out. 1, 2. Forms that triangle, right? After it forms that triangle, I wish I could draw this. So you want to go to Trading View and actually get your account up. Let me switch over to my Trading View. And pull that over here. Sign in. Oh, whatever. Pause this video.